Hello and welcome to FP Markets, the trading day. As with every endeavour in life, a plan is required to know how to manage your trading day. If you have decided to take a short-term positions in the market on a day-to-day basis or trade on a week-to-week basis as a longer-term investor, this guide is to help you with your daily plan and offer suggestions to monitor your progress along the way. Trading is no different to any other application we make to be successful. The trading checklist starts well before the trader or investor presses the buy or sell button to open a market position. If you are new to trading or a seasoned trader, good preparation for trading the markets can lead to consistent results. Before the trading day begins, on a personal note, try and start the day refreshed. Also, a good breakfast is ideal, as is taking some time to check personal items are taken care of. When we get to the markets, when the trader sits down to the screen, often the first item is overnight markets. Overnight price movements can have an effect on our trading day. As a responsible trader, reviewing your own positions is a must before the market opens. This includes your margin positions of a trading account if you're using margin, and the current profit and loss of open positions in the market. And good traders make sure their charts are up to date. Information on overnight markets is freely available from many sources, including the Wall Street Journal and Google Finance. Other subscription services are available, for example, the Australian Financial Review and many business newsletters. Here is a snapshot of some of the information freely available in the online version of the Wall Street Journal. A complete summary of global markets is available. Overnight commodity prices are also available. And the important economic calendar advising of updates and data releases. Using an economic calendar is critical if you are trading or investing in the commodities or FX space, as some types of announcements can move markets within minutes. Key announcements such as US non-farm payroll and Federal Reserve decisions around interest rates, Euro employment numbers and inflation figures can bring sudden price movements to FX pairs and index futures. Google Finance is another good source of information. As is the Australian Financial Review, this can also be a subscription service. The local business section of daily newspapers also offer information for traders. And there are many online chat forums to be used at your own risk. And did I mention to keep your trading work area tidy and clean? As trading and investing can be determined as a business, our first priority is a tidy desk, with only the essentials required to conduct the trading day. This is just one example of a screen displaying some charts, and the second screen with a spreadsheet to record positions and take notes. Taking a closer look at the day-to-day record keeping, many good platforms keep trading records, but it is always good to take responsibility for your own record keeping. Here is a sample. On the right is the date that a position was taken. Next we record the code of the stock or the commodity, the position size, the entry price, most importantly the stop loss is recorded. This is invaluable when reviewing your notes in the future. And then the exit price when the position was closed, along with the date and the overall profit and loss, and the costs incurred such as brokerage and overnight interest if you are using margin. And finally, keep a tally of the account. If profits are increasing, this will motivate you to stay focused, and should the account be losing in value, this should simply alert you to possible problems with decision making, including position sizing and risk taken. Inside the portfolio section on a trading platform is a summary page. The gross liquidation value, GLV, is the running total of the account. Also of importance is a current margin position. The portfolio will also display the current positions and the intraday movements of price. Just as important is the current profit and loss for each position. And a final note on the account, reconcile the costs, as these are the costs of doing business. And did I mention to keep your workspace clean and tidy? As the trading day comes to an end, before the market closes, a review of positions' closing price is vital. Review the closing price of any open positions and if a stop loss is imminent. Review the margin position to avoid the risk of a margin call. And also consider overnight news that may be applicable in the economic calendar. So we hope this tutorial will identify some basic requirements to you to make you better prepared on your journey. Trading can be as hard or as easy as you make it. The reality is that traders just need to survive the learning curve to get an understanding of what works for them and how to approach the market. Along the way you'll make mistakes, which is inevitable, and you'll also be wrong. It is rather sobering, but this is all part of the learning curve. The successful and improved traders prove that you can be successful in the market if you just learn from your mistakes, no matter how successful you are. Use any and all mistakes of your own self-advancement to trading success. Should you require any assistance or have any concerns around your trading account, please call or email FP Markets and speak to a sales representative.